Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi
According to Nongthep National Awakening Movement, kalong ba ki Nongthep vote kin sa ay ka jung Bishar ka bahok yaki sing san birthday ki Kwah and Pynduh no ka district council ha ka ni ka jilla ha ka jing karam bikla patai ko board working president juga kanam uba Thomas Basa ulom biring ka tu ka ni ki party ki persya ka district council reminta ki pinyang kertong pinyang khoni yak election.
PP is stating that any ruling that comes in the KGDC, they cannot do away with this party that rules in the state. It only points out they don't understand the meaning of autonomous. That clears at that. I think we all have to get it very clear. The district council is an autonomous body. The state government cannot interfere in the matters and business of the KGDC. Few months back, the national president of the NPP, our chief minister, has stated that he cannot interfere in the district council matters. When this was said, when the Garo community wanted recognition as headman in the jurisdiction of the Himalayan, and I think if the national president makes one stand and the other party members make another stand, it shows a division of understanding between them only on matters relating to the district council. The Congress now will pull out of the ruling EC in the KHDC, points out at one thing. The Congress thinks that the public are stupid. And I know the public are not stupid. This is all a political drama. And after they win again, they'll again work with NPP only.